Okay, tonight, what are we having for dinner?
Sushi.
And whose house are we at?
Yours.
The tiger. If you are, you're a winner.
How do you do this so it lines up?
Cheers.
Tell you. I mean, how do you cut around an avocado so it's all lined up and it's beautiful?
Oh, why would you put that on? Don't do that while it's in your hand. Sorry.
Do you see anybody?
I know. How old are you? You're older than me. Doesn't feel like it's...
You're supposed to be fucking with the fork at the same time, aren't you?
I'm not ambidextrous. You take my dog?
I was going to help you. I thought you were going to fluff an elf fan. It takes two people to do this job.
Okay.
You said it didn't work. I was trying to be helpful. Is this not enough? Are you mad because it's too much? What are you...
No, it's fine. Smack me in the face.
This actually doesn't seem very difficult.
Great, you do it.
Wow. There it is. Forging ahead.
Go with it.
How many of these are we making?
I don't know. As many as we can.
Okay.
We've got shrimp.
Oh.
Wait. Did you go this way or did you go this way? This way?
Oh!
What are you doing? What is wrong with you? Well, I guess we're having two less sushi rolls.
Oh no! I don't know what I did.
Just dump it all. Put it in the soup. There's no saving it. There's no saving it. Wow. Okay, stop. What am I doing here? Am I wetting something? What am I doing?
Okay, wait a second.
I'm going to have to go back on the tape because I want to see what you did there. Okay, what am I doing? Help me.
Oh, sorry. Okay. You got all your levels, great. So, with your thumbs, do this and then wet the...
Underneath?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you want
And
more
don't
wasabi
dump
inside?
a whole serving of rice in there?
What happened was, I got a handful, realized I didn't have seaweed, and I went, I need to put this back, I put it right in the water. Oh, man.